We're headed for a time like that when bailouts are unavoidable. That hits the currency, which causes the price of everything to go up. And then things are very likely to spin out of control at that point.
What any signposts along the way we should be watching for?
Well, interest rates, obviously, you've got to watch. If the 10-year treasury note yield keeps going up, then that kind of guarantees that things are going to start breaking. A website called Wolf Street. A couple of things I didn't mention that might be good to buy into what's coming is uranium. Nuclear power is coming back into style. There's not enough uranium in the world to run all the plants that are going to come online in the next decade. So the price of uranium has to go up to attract more people to mine uranium. And in the meantime, even if they don't work out right away, a lot of them still pay dividends. They've got rock solid assets. You want to be in a place like that rather than in something like bonds that can be destroyed with the press of, with the push of a button at the
Default them.
oh yeah, the ones that'll do better are the ones that own real assets.